Welcome to Thena's channel. This is Meadow Lane Retreat, a stunning home designed by Wheeler Kearns Architects. Located along the serene shores of Lake Michigan in Lakeside, United States, this 8,927 square foot retreat is a masterpiece of harmony and nature. Built in 2022, the design emphasizes privacy, natural light, and breathtaking views, seamlessly integrating into the 2-acre wooded bluff it rests upon. The exterior boasts native materials like limestone and weathering black locust wood, blending beautifully with the landscape. Cleverly staggered structures optimize panoramic views and natural light while maintaining a minimal presence. Glass corners and slatted wood detailing create an immersive connection to nature, making this home a true sanctuary. Stay tuned to explore its inspiring design that celebrates simplicity and timeless beauty. Now that we've explored the stunning exterior of this home, let's step inside and dive into its breathtaking interior. Upon entering, we are immediately welcomed by the seamless flow of modern design, where natural materials and contemporary elements come together beautifully. The hallway, framed by elegant wood paneling, leads us into spacious, open-concept living areas, bathing in natural light from the large windows. The warm tones of marble and wood create a soothing, sophisticated atmosphere. Moving into the heart of the home, the kitchen exudes elegance with its clean white surfaces, complemented by stylish pendant lights and minimalist fixtures. The large dining area, adjacent to the kitchen, invites gatherings with its tasteful design, ensuring both functionality and comfort. The seamless transition between spaces is evident, with sleek lines and carefully curated furnishings adding to the cohesive modern feel. As we move through the home, each room brings a new level of refinement, whether it's the cozy living room with expansive windows offering a view of the forest or the inviting, quiet spaces for relaxation. The careful attention to detail is apparent in every corner, from the lighting fixtures that highlight the architecture to the art pieces that enhance the ambience. This home isn't just a space, it's a sanctuary where nature and modern luxury coexist harmoniously.